This is one of the greatest airdrop that will happen. Telegram is one of the biggest social media. It has more than multi-million users. So this airdrop, once you register with the link I sent you, just tap like this. This is how you tap. As you are tapping, this is how your airdrop point continue to increase. And this airdrop, you can swap it very soon once it's on the preset. So now it's airdrop. This is all you need to do, just like a game, tapping. That's all you need to tap. If you want to tap to add more, you can use this place to boost. You want to boost, you can boost the energy so that you can have more to tap. You can also click here on this boost to increase your multiple type, recharging speed, and everything you want to do. So this is how it works. It's very simple. Tap, just tap. At your leisure time, just tap. You can also get a bot that will tap for you when you are sleeping. You can subscribe for the bot. You use the point to subscribe. So I just let me do this short video how you can tap. Once you open the Telegram, this is how we show you. Count on play. Once you tap on play, it will open up. Just tap here. Tap, just a game of tapping. So this is just a short video. No, this is Emide Crypto. So I will do more videos maybe on YouTube. A longer one. If you need more details, let me know. But this is just a summary of it. Telegram has multi-million users and it has its own blockchain. So don't joke with this airdrop. You can grow up to platinum level, from bronze to iron. These are the levels to gold to platinum. So thank you. If you have any question, let me know. This is just an intro on how it works. Thanks for watching.